This episode uncovers a little-known Nubian furnace once used to smelt copper and tin, exploring its historical role in trade and craft. Historical sources describe clay walls, a clay crucible, and a fuel mix that reached high enough temperatures to melt metals, guiding today's replication with careful safety checks. The reconstruction unfolds in stages from sourcing ochre clay to building the shaft, lining, and a controlled bellows system, highlighting how geometry and airflow dictated efficiency. Challenges include maintaining steady heat, preventing coke pockets, and scaling tools to fit the kiln's narrow throat for successful metalwork. Insights emerge about resource constraints, artisan collaboration, and how modern testing reshapes our understanding of Bronze Age industry.